morning, I am Srilekha, Department of Chemistry. In the previous sections, I have discussed about how the nanomaterials can be synthesized by using the formation of top-down and bottom-up method. So, by the top-down and bottom-up method, there are said four types of synthesis method. There is a CVD, solvothermal, salt gel method, and the laser ablation method. So, now we are taking the third method of using this salt gel method. The salt gel method is nothing but it is in the formation of a salt and the gel with the formation of a solvent. So here we are using as a salt and the gel in the formation of a nanomaterials by using a beaker. So here we are adding the two solvent as in the major starting material with these functions. As a solvent we are taking as a nickel or cobalt. So the nickel or metal alkoxide groups, that is the metal alkoxide group, the OH group or the Cl group when functions with this R. So here the OH, Cl and the R group has a metal alkoxide or metal chlorides on the formation of a metal reactions. So here the starting metal as in the formation of a OH or Cl group when combined with this formation we will get this reaction follows. So this is the starting material as a salt. And the salt we have to evaporate with this reaction to get this gel formation. So the salt with the gel formation it have to react as a gel. The reaction with this water substance impurities we have to deposit with this reaction as in the gel. We are converting the gel by using the polykondensation reaction. So the polykondensation reaction is nothing but with the removal of water molecules from this solvent. So the removal of H2O molecules can be carried out by using in the formation of a solvent, that is OH, Cl and the R groups. So the OH, Cl and the R groups can be maintained by using the formation of a gel. So second process we are going to convert the gel structure formation as an integrated network gel. So when combined with this formation of an integrated network gel with the formation of a removal of water molecules can be carried out from this reactions. So while this third process can be carried out by using this gel liquid structure, semi-rigid structure with the gel formation. So the semi-liquid structure gel can be used in the formation of a removal of water molecules based on this solvent formation and can be distinct from this formation to a structure like a gel. When it forms with this gel, we combine with this structure and it has to combine with the structure like a gel. Whenever the solvent and the liquid can be combined to form a semi-rigid gel, the gel can be hydrolyzed by using the formation of a H2O group. The H2O group can be removed by using this structure with this gel. And then the gel can be created by using the metal alkoxide groups. The OH group from the react with this ROH and the SiOH. So here the gelification of this integrated network gel can be clearly viewed from this diagram. So here the third part can be carried out by using the gel. It is liquefied from this semi-rigid mass from the water and the substance solvent can be carried out by using the acid solvent gel. The gel is a major process how the nanomaterials can be separated by using these structures. And from this fourth process we are getting as a fully total applied mass from this integrated network gel. The integrated network gel can be increases by the formation of a gel liquid. So here the gel liquid can be lost. Finally it can be processed by using a calcination process. So we have to dry the substrate material into the hot air oven by using the temperature at the removal of water molecules. The excess of water molecules can be removed. So here the hot air oven can be compressed for 3 hours within the temperature and then the gel can be totally updated from these water molecules. After that we have to do the drying process. The drying the process we will form with this like a powder form and we have to grind it with this mortar by using a pestle and the powder can be again with the stiffening process. The stiffening process can be carried out by using this formation of Stovall. And the applications which is related to this structure with the salt gel method, it is a thin layer coating formation. The thin layer coating formations can be carried out by using the paint formations or the latex to relate with this corrosion resistance. And the applications which is used in the salt gel method is while using this, it is a low cost only. The solvent method can be used to carry out these reactions. And anymore no other temperature and pressures can be carried out in these reactions. So this is the a method how the soldier can be carried out. Thank you.